The next segment or the last portion of the unit deals with the certain theorems associated with the random variable as well as the joint random variable. So the very first theorem or the result which we were very frequently using it, right, for the calculation purpose, was var x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. What is expectation of x? Actually mu, that is mean. So ultimately sigma square is the notation used for var x. So sigma square is equal to expectation of x square minus mu square. This is what the theorem or the result we were using it again and again. But how to prove it? Go by the definition of variance of x. What is the definition of variance of x? Var x is equal to expectation of x minus mu whole square. Expand it using a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. एक्सपेक्टेशन का रूल क्या है? एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स प्लस वाई इज एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स प्लस एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ वाई. So individual expectation is to be taken. Expectation of x square, 2 constant, mu is constant, which is mean only expectation of x. Mu square into expectation of 1, or I can say expectation of mu square. Expectation of mu square will be simply mu square, क्योंकि मैंने देखा था expectation of k क्या होता है? Expectation of k is simply k. So expectation of x is nothing but mu. Mu into mu is mu square. So minus 2 mu square plus mu square is minus mu square. So I am getting the result expectation of x square minus mu square. But what is mu? Mu is nothing but expectation of x. So what is the result? Expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So this is very convenient result or the theorem helping us to calculate the value of expectation of x as well as expectation of x square, and combining the result with the binary operation as minus sign, we can get the formula or the result for the variance of x. So how is var x calculated? Var x is nothing but sigma square. By definition it is expectation of x minus mu whole square, and we are getting the result as expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. क्या करना है? Expand the given term, expectation of x minus mu whole square. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Take the individual expectations, simplify it, you get the answer. Second theorem is, if c is any constant, then var of cx is c square into variance of x, right? So how it will be generated or how it will be derived? Expectation of any quantity, that is expectation of c into x, is constant outside, only you take the expectation of x. So expectation of cx is c into expectation of x, that is what the result, and which is c into mu. Now what is var x? Var x means expectation of x minus mu whole square. अभी किसका वेरिएंस लेना है? cx का. So expectation of cx minus c mu whole square बराबर है x minus mu whole square, यानी जो भी रहेगा, जिस किसी का भी वेरिएंस है उसके साथ c जोड़ देना है. What can be taken outside? C square can be taken outside, and what is remaining? The definition of x minus mu whole square. Expectation of x minus mu whole square. So what is expectation of x minus mu whole square? It is var x. So var of cx is c square into var x. What is the definition or the theorem telling us? Var of cx is c square into var of x. So accordingly, whatever is the expectation we are calculating for cx, it is c into mu, and var of x is expectation of x minus mu whole square. अभी x के जगह किसका वेरिएंस ले रहे हैं अपन? cx का. तो हर जगह क्या जुड़ जाएगा? cc जुड़ जाएगा. What can be taken outside? c square. If, next theorem is, if x and y are independent random variables, then var of plus minus var of x plus minus y is var x plus var y. Means either you take variance of sum of the two random variables or difference of two random variables, it will be individual sum, addition of individual variance of random variables x. So if this is possible only when it is independent. Independent random variable में क्या होता है? Expectation of xy is expectation of x into expectation of y. Therefore symbolically अगर लिखना चाहे तो कैसे लिखेंगे? सिग्मा स्क्वायर ऑफ x प्लस माइनस y is sigma x square plus sigma y square. Let expectation of x be denoted by mu1, expectation of y is denoted by mu2. Expectation of x plus y is expectation of x plus expectation of y. So it is mu1 plus mu2. This is what? Expectation of x plus expectation of y. So that is called as mu1 plus mu2. var of x plus minus y, जिस किसी का भी var लेना है उसमें कैसे करना पड़ता है? एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x माइनस म्यू, यहां पर क्या है? एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x की जगह x प्लस वाई, करस्पॉन्डिंगली देयर मीन विल बी mu1 plus mu2. So x plus y minus mu1 plus mu2 whole bracket square. Arrange the term x minus mu1 plus y minus mu2 whole square. Now what is a plus b whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. क्या किया मैंने? x is associated with mu1, y is associated with mu2, and बीच में it is plus now. So expectation of x minus mu1 plus y minus mu2. Now what is a plus b whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Take individual expectation. Expectation of this 2 times expectation of this plus expectation of this. But मुझे पता है कि जब x and y independent होते हैं तो expectation of xy is expectation of x into expectation of y. So this particular term becomes 0. Therefore, accordingly, variance of x plus 2 into 0, because expectation of x minus x is 0. Mu1 is also what? Expectation of x. And mu2 is expectation of y. So this will be 0. So 2 into 0 plus variance of y. So var of x plus minus y is var x plus var y. Because यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है क्या है? Result var of x plus minus y is var x plus var y when they are independent. How to get? Why this value is 0? This value is 0 because expectation of x minus mu1 is expectation of x minus mu1. This is ultimately mu1. Mu1 minus mu1 is 0. Here also it is expectation of y minus mu2. Expectation of y is mu2. Mu2 minus mu2 is 0. So this particular whole bracket is going to be 0. अभी expectation of मैंने product लिया. See, यहाँ पर जो भी independent random variables है, I took expectation of this bracket, but this product is individual expectation, and therefore I am getting it in this manner, right? Because they are independent. So that is how I will be concluding that these two values are 0, and hence I am getting. This they have proved for var of x plus y. Suppose you take it for var of x minus y. See, first and last term in the square, a minus b whole square या a plus b whole square, दोनों में first and last term is always positive. Only middle sign is changing. But here the middle term itself is getting 0. So ultimately for var of x minus y also, I am getting the same result, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, middle term is 0. I am only left with var of x plus var of y. So var of x minus y is also var x plus var y. Var of x plus y is also var x plus var y. So accordingly we get the theorem as var of x plus minus y. What is the actual statement? Var of x plus minus y is var x plus var y. This is another theorem. The quantity expectation of x minus alpha whole square is minimum when alpha is equal to mu. The quantity x minus alpha whole square is minimum when alpha is equal to mu. Now expand. What is expectation of x minus alpha whole square? It is expectation of, यहां पर इन्होंने अभी क्या किया है, instead of taking the expansion x minus alpha whole square, they have added the term mu and subtracted the term mu, क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पर वेरिएंस मिलने के चांसेस है कहीं पर, राइट, सिग्मा स्क्वायर. सो हियर व्हाट आई डिड, प्लस mu and minus mu. So minus mu is associated with x and mu minus alpha is taken into other bracket. So add mu and subtract mu. या अगर समझने के लिए लिखना है तो कैसे करोगे, minus mu plus mu. So accordingly x minus mu is taken together here and mu minus alpha is taken together और उसका स्क्वायर लेना है. Now what is a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Take individual expectation. This is constant. Expectation of x minus mu whole square. 2 into mu minus alpha is constant. Expectation of क्या बचेगा, x minus mu plus expectation of mu minus alpha whole square. Expectation of constant is constant itself. यानी इसका आंसर सिर्फ क्या आएगा, mu minus alpha whole square. That is expectation of x minus alpha whole square is, we are left with expectation of x minus mu whole square plus mu minus alpha whole square, because expectation of x minus mu is expectation of x minus mu, means mu minus mu is equal to 0. So this term vanishes. Only I am left with this. So the minimum value of x minus alpha whole square when this is equal to 0, right? So when it is 0, when alpha is equal to mu. This is what they have tried to prove, that minimum value of x minus alpha whole square occurs when alpha is equal to mu. And we have also tried to prove that accordingly with lines with the statement of the theorem. So these are certain results